Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the device name of your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings and tap on About Phone. Tap Edit at the top of the screen. You can now edit the name of your device. Change the name and then tap Done. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.